Today, we're going to be using color temperature and white balance to set the mood. Hey guys, it's Dave here from Creative Path Films, and today you'll be learning about how you can use white balance and color temperature to help craft a mood and emotion for your scenes. By the end of this video, you'll understand how different looks impact how an audience feels, as well as what genres those looks are typically attributed to. You'll also walk away with several creative lighting setups that you can go out and experiment with straight away. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get access to those. If you haven't seen our last two videos on white balance and color temperature, make sure to go and check out those first, as we'll be building on that foundation today. And if you're not already subscribed, now is a great opportunity to do so you never miss great videos coming up in the future. All right, let's get into it. Manipulating color temperature and white balance to impact emotion has been used in video and cinema since the very beginning. It can be used very, very subtly, or it can be highly stylized. It depends on your tastes and the genre of your film. If you set up your scene with overall cooler tones and higher Kelvin values, then you're going to have a scene that looks and feels a lot more cold and clinical, or even downright scary. It's been proven in psychology that cooler color temperatures make us feel more alert and increase our concentration. This is because natural daylight cools off the most in the middle of the day when we're most awake, and it warms up again at sunrise and sunset. This is why you see this look used in genres such as horror, action, thriller, sci-fi. Genres where the filmmakers want to really ramp up the suspense and keep you on the edge of your seat. This is also why warmer tones with lower Kelvin values make us feel more calm and relaxed. You'll often see these tones used in genres such as romance, comedy, drama, and period films, where they want the audience to feel safe, cozy, and comfortable. You can create this overall shift in color temperature by shifting your white balance either higher or lower down the Kelvin scale. If you want a warmer look, simply move your white balance to a higher value. If you want a cooler look, move your white balance to a lower value. Just remember that this overall color temperature shift will impact your entire image. And if you just want to impact certain elements, that's when you need to start shifting the color temperature of individual light sources. Because these warmer and cooler tones approximate the look of fire and ice, you can also use this shift in color temperature to give the impression of physical heat and physical cold, with a little bit of help from performance, of course. You can also mix these color temperatures for a really nice effect. Because blue and orange are opposites on the color wheel, you see this especially used with the maybe slightly overused orange and teal look, because it works. They complement each other beautifully. I like to mix color temperatures when my sources are motivated by practical elements in the scene. Things like a TV or movie theater, street lamps, fire, moonlight, or other logical light sources. One pro tip that I have is, unless I'm going for a really stylized look, I like to keep my key lights closer to a neutral color temperature, so the skin tones always look good. Then I like to use my warmer and cooler tones as either a background light or an accent light, and this can work really, really nicely. I've put together a few lighting diagrams for some of the examples that you've seen so far in this video, as well as a color temperature chart that you can refer to. So if you'd like to download those, check out the link in the description to get access. You can also use a shift in color temperature over time to reinforce a character's emotional change as well. Say you've got a character that's cool and closed off from the world, you can use cooler tones to reflect that. As they change and evolve over time, maybe they open up, maybe they start to find more joy in their life, then they can transition to warmer tones to reflect that inner character change. This can be another way that you can incorporate color temperature into your storytelling. I hope you enjoyed this video, as well as this short series on color temperature. If you did, leave us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more video series just like this, let us know down in the comments below. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you'd like to see more videos just like that, make sure to hit that button and bell to stay up to date. We're also over on Instagram if you'd like to keep up with what we're doing day to day, and you can find us at Creative Path Films. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon in the next video.